Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 3. Arthur Miller's 1949 two-act play, Death of a Salesman, Act 2 and Requiem, 60 points. We have the movie up here. We have our timeline here, our requirements and our discussion rubric, how you're evaluated. We have a part 1 and we have a part 2. Okay, so you're going to click here in part 1 to read Act 2 of Arthur Miller's play and the Requiem. And then I have 6 questions for you below to answer. You do not have to number your answers, so the questions are here all the way to question 6, which I thought was important, and I highlighted it in yellow. And I have a link to this term, momentum, how we create momentum in a work, that I want you to explore. I've worked on these questions a little bit, trying to make them interesting to us and clear so we can get this brilliant play through these questions. Okay, do not forget to comment on your peers' work, all right? And we always have a word count in every class, so I'm looking for at least 750 words in your answers to the 6 questions below, okay? And for the peer evaluations, I need at least 125 words, a half page, for a total of 250 words, 1 page. I tend to go over because I find this play so fascinating. As always, I'm here in inbox if you need to chat with me, if you have any concerns, any questions. You're never ever bugging me by emailing me. Never be afraid that you're emailing me too much. Email me as many times as you need to. And please recall that I'm super active in the discussions. I'm reading everything you write. And so if I ask you a question in your thread, answer it, please. All right, let's have a good week.